Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see how to blur faces on Capcut, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open the app, tap on new project, and then add the clip that you want to blur a face in. After that, tap on effects, video effects, tap on lens, and then scroll down until you find blur, tap on it, and then tap on the tick on the bottom right of the menu. From here, extend the duration of the blur to cover the whole video. And then tap on overlay, add overlay at the same clip that you have added earlier. Now keep it selected and then adjust it to the size of the previous video. Look for mask, tap on it, tap on the circle and then tap on invert on the bottom left and drag the blur to the face that you want to cover. Now you can just stop here if the face doesn't move in the frame. If it does, just tap on this symbol next to play right here. Tap on mask and adjust the movement of the blur to the new position of the face. Do that again when the face moves again. And once you're done, just go ahead and play the video again, just like I'm going to do here. And you'll see that the blur will follow the face. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.